go to the open houses without me. You can. Here's what you're going to do, though. I have to give them the hack. When you go into the open house without me and you have to complete the sign in sheet, put my name on the sign in sheet and my contact information. So, and then also let the other agent know, hey, you know what? I'm here viewing this house because my real estate agent couldn't attend. So I have an agent. So that eliminates the, oh, are you working with an agent? Do you have someone? Do you know a professor? Let them know ahead of time that yes, I have an agent. She's unable to attend the open house with me. It's okay for me to view this home without my agent. Let me put the information down on this sign-in sheet on behalf of my agent. I absolutely tell them to go.
But what if that agent is more friendly and they have a lender there that has some additional programs that I didn't know about?
Right.
Should I maybe consider working with them?
Oh, and that's so funny that you brought that up. During that buyer's consultation, yourself and myself, we will establish an agency and an exclusive buyer's agreement during that consultation, letting you know that I am your agent working through this process. And based on this agreement, this establishes our agency as me being your buyer's agent during this process. So I'm not nervous, scared, afraid, fret, anything about you going out to view different properties without me being present because we have this exclusive buyer's agent agreement in place, establishing agency with myself and yourself as the client moving forward during this process.
Love that. Love that. All right.
Mhm.